everyone. Honorable guests, distinguished scientists, researchers, and esteemed colleagues. It is an absolute honor to reach out there for the esteemed conference on novel materials and applications. As we gather here, we are united by a shared passion for scientific innovation and the pursuit of advanced materials that have the potential to revolutionize industries, transform society, and improve the quality of life across the globe. Materials science has always played a crucial role in the shaping human civilization. From the discovery of metals to the development of semiconductors and nanomaterials, every breakthrough has led to the significant technological and economic progress. Today, we find ourselves at the forefront of a new era defined by materials engineered at the atomic and molecular levels to exhibit unprecedented properties and functionalities. In recent years, the field of materials science has witnessed remarkable innovations. Nanomaterials have emerged due to the ability to manipulate materials at the nanoscale, leading to extraordinary advancements in medicine, electronics, and environmental sustainability. Graphene, carbon nanotubes, and quantum dots are just a few examples of nanomaterials transforming various industries. Smart and functional nanomaterials like self-healing polymers, shape memory alloys, and bio-inspired materials are enabling cutting-edge applications in robotics, healthcare, and infrastructure. With an increasing focus on sustainability, researchers are developing biodegradable plastics, recyclable composites, and energy-efficient materials to address environmental challenges. Now we have advanced energy materials from high-performance batteries and supercapacitors to perovskite solar cells. Novel materials are driving the energy revolution towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. There are many challenges and opportunities on the way. While the possibilities are exciting, challenges remain. The scalability of novel materials, cost effectiveness, and environmental impact must be carefully addressed to ensure their practical and ethical implications. Collaborative efforts between academia, industry, and policymakers are essential to bridge the gap between research and real-world applications. The future is driven by materials innovation. As we move forward, interdisciplinary research, computational modeling, and artificial intelligence will further accelerate materials discovery and development. The fusion of physics, chemistry, biology, and engineering will lead to solutions that were once deemed impossible. It is through conferences like this that we can exchange ideas, foster collaborations, and inspire the next generation of materials scientists and engineers. In closing, I extend my deepest gratitude to the organizers, fellow researchers, and all the participants for making this event a platform for knowledge sharing and innovation. Let us continue to push the boundaries of material science, explore new frontiers, and strive for advancements that will benefit humanity for generations to come. Thank you, and I wish you all a productive and inspiring conference. A good luck to all of you. Thank you.